Hi, in this video, I am explaining the implementation of AdaBoost algorithm in machine learning model. AdaBoost algorithm, short for adaptive boosting, is a boosting technique used as an ensemble method in machine learning. It is called adaptive boosting as the weight or reassigned to each instance with higher weight assigned to incorrectly classified instances. Now we see the example of this model. First, I import the packages like pandas as PD, and I am again import the packages numpy as np. And then now I declare a variable name data for uploading my dataset using read CSV function from panda. Here I just copy the path of my dataset like this and paste here. By running this code, packages are successfully imported, and then run this code. My dataset is read and then stored in variable name data. Now pre-processing the data by using add function to know the first 5 rows of my dataset, and then data dot tail function to know the last 5 rows of my dataset. And then data dot shape, this shows the tuple like structures of my total number of rows and total number of columns. The next one, data dot is null function. This function find any null values in our dataset. And these are the null values in this column. And using drop now function for drop the null values in our dataset. Now we use the data.info function. This provides the data type of our dataset for each column. The next one is correlation matrix. First, I import the library matplotlib to visualize the correlation heat map for this correlation matrix. Matplotlib as PLG. And then import cbond for visualizing the heat map for correlation matrix as SNS. Now we compute the correlation matrix. I just declare the variable name correlation matrix here. Using correlation function in our dataset like this, and that we show that in heat map using heat map function, correlation matrix variable name, and then cmap equal to cool warm, and not equal to true, fmt equal to, that means format equal to dot 1f. Now we show the plot using show function. I just run this code. This is the heat map for this correlation matrix. Next step is split the data into train and test state. For that, we first input the train and test split function from sklan dot model selection import trains test and split. By just running this code, the function is imported, the package is imported, and then we use it to train and test our data set. I declare a variable name here. Data.drop. Here 10-year CHD is my target, so that without that all are my features and stored my features in X variable, and I store my target in Y variable. By running this code, features are stored in X and my target is stored in Y. And the next step is, now we train and test our data set. X train, X test, Y train, Y test by using train test split module package. For X and Y, test size equal to 0.20 to split our data set for 20% in test and 80% in training. Random step equal to, now I run this code. Our data set is trained and tested. Now we are using the standard scalar to scale the features. I declare a variable scalar to instance the standard scalar function. And then X trained scale. I declare a variable name here. For this, first we import the package for standard scalar from sklan. Import the package from sklan dot pre-processing. Import standard scalar here. After this, we use the standard scalar instance. Scalar dot. Here we using the fit and transform method to fit and transform the X train data. And X test scale. Here also we use the transform function for X test data. I am running this code. Here we scale the features using standard and scalar. Now we implementation of AdaBoost algorithm model. We see the implementation of this AdaBoost algorithm from sklan.ensemble. We import the package AdaBoost classifier. And then now we store a AdaBoost instance in ADB variable name. Here we fit the X train and Y train in ADB model variable name. By AdaBoost. And Y train. After this, we predict here Y prediction by using prediction function for AdaBoost classifier. Here I using predict function for X test. Now I run this code. Here we implement the AdaBoost classifier. Here we implement the dataset by running this code. Now we see the prediction of our data, Y prediction of our data. First 100. And here is the prediction. 0 is a negative and 1 is a positive. Here I print the accuracy score, accuracy of the model on validation set. ADB model score. X test and Y test. This is the accuracy score for this model, 0.85. For our validation set, 0.85 is our accuracy score for implementing of AdaBoost algorithm model in our data set. Thank you.